Hello, so it's Tim here from Kango Kiwi Education Services, and the next in our series of short essential tips videos. Today we're looking at listening. Okay, first of all, attempt all the questions. There's no negative marking. Tip 2, be careful not to waste time on a question. If you miss something, keep moving, keep listening. Tip 3, be careful about plural and singular spellings. Number 4, answers appear in order that they're heard in the audio, but they will come quickly sometimes, so pay close attention. Number 5, keep listening. You may hear a potential answer that is not the actual answer. People often change their minds. 6, take care when you transfer your answers. Pay attention to the word limit and, of course, your spelling. 7, multiple choice questions. You're given 4 options usually. Write the letter, not the corresponding answer. And finally, when you're asked to complete a sentence using no more than 2 words and the answer is, say, for example, leather coat, a coat made of leather would be wrong. Okay, so you can join us on Facebook, and also you could subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep updated on the latest information and guidance about IELTS. Okay, keep safe. Bye-bye.